Hi, so today we will see how you can make your Squarespace header like this transparent with a uh, color overlay. If you have a logo like me which has a gray section, so if I use a like transparent window, transparent background, it will not work. So but I don't want to give it a solid, like if I go to the transparent, you will see that this logo is not very readable. But if I put a color like this, it will be very dark then. So I just want something kind of middle, like a transparent header with a opacity overlay, gray overlay, so the logo is visible and I can see the background image also. So for this you just need to target the class, this header class. Like if you go to here, you will see that you need to copy this CSS class and you need to click here and just go to the custom CSS section and create a style for it like this, and just make background color RGBA 000.5. 5 means 50% opacity. You can increase or decrease it like this. Okay, thank you.